Hello, and welcome to the Master and Dynamic product tutorial for the MW75 Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Headphones. In this video, we will review how to find the optimal fit, charge, connect, pair to multiple devices, how to use the M&D Connect app, how to use the Multifunction button and control volume, how to use active noise cancelling and ambient listening modes, and how to clean and remove your earpads. How to find the optimal fit. The MW75 headband can be shortened or lengthened by gently pulling the ear cups down or gently pushing them inward towards the headband. Each ear cup can be slowly rotated at the neck for an optimal fit. For the best acoustic seal, adjust each arm length so your ear fits comfortably within the ear cup. Press and rotate the ear cups in towards your head so that the ear cups conform to your head shape. How to charge. When fully charged, the MW75 holds up to 32 hours of listening time or up to 28 hours with active noise cancellation enabled. With only a 15-minute charge, the headphones will provide up to 6 hours of battery life. To display the battery level at startup, power on or off the MW75 by pressing the Power Pairing button once. To charge, connect the MW75 to a power source with the USB-C to USB-C cable. To charge the MW75 while playing content wirelessly, the headphones must be connected to a device via Bluetooth and actively playing content before plugging into a power source. To charge while playing content through digital USB or wired audio, the MW75 must be plugged directly into a computer or compatible device with the USB-C to USB-C cable. This will be the default unless content is already playing through Bluetooth while the headphones are plugged in. How to connect. The first time you power your headphones on, they will enter pairing mode. To manually pair and connect to a Bluetooth device, first activate pairing mode by holding the Power Pairing button for 4 seconds until the indicator light pulses and the pairing tone is heard. This can be done when the MW75 is on or off. Access the Bluetooth menu on your device and select M&D MW75. A solid light indicates you are connected. Hold the button again to cancel pairing mode. For an analog wired audio connection, plug the provided USB-C to 3.5mm cable to your MW75 input to engage analog wired audio. For a digital wired audio connection, plug the provided USB-C to USB-C cable into your MW75 USB-C input to engage digital USB wired audio. How to pair multiple devices. The MW75 can be paired to 2 devices simultaneously, allowing you to toggle seamlessly between devices. When pairing to 2 devices using multipoint connection, first enter pairing mode and connect the first device. Then enter pairing mode again and device 1 will disconnect. Connect to device 2 and turn the headphones off. The next time you power the MW75 back on, it will automatically connect to devices 1 and 2 simultaneously. You will now be able to pause one device and play from the other to swap between devices. By default, the MW75 will connect to the 2 most recent devices you've paired with. How to use the M&D Connect app. Please be sure to download the M&D Connect app for the best MW75 experience. Download the latest firmware updates, adjust your EQ, and access additional ANC modes for your MW75 wireless headphones, all from your mobile device with M&D Connect. M&D Connect is available for download on your device's App Store. How to use the Multifunction button and control volume. There is a Multifunction button at the center of the right ear cup. Press once to play or pause. Press twice to skip forward and 3 times to skip back. To activate voice assistance, simply hold the button down. You can also answer incoming calls by pressing the Multifunction button once. The volume buttons are located above and below the Multifunction button. Pressing the top button increases the volume, and pressing the bottom button lowers the volume. Your audio will auto-pause when the MW75 headband is lifted from your head with the on-head detection feature. How to use active noise cancelling and ambient listening modes. The MW75 features 3 types of active noise cancellation: Adaptive ANC, Max ANC, and All-Day ANC. Adaptive ANC will automatically detect the noise levels around you and intuitively adjust the ANC levels so you don't have to. Max ANC will use the maximum level of noise cancellation and works best for very loud environments. All-Day ANC will cancel less environmental noise and is better suited for regular use throughout the day. To activate active noise cancelling, simply press the ANC button on your left ear cup to switch between default ANC and ambient modes. The MW75 features two modes of ambient listening, voice and awareness. Ambient voice mode improves conversations of voices around you, while ambient awareness mode improves awareness of surrounding noise. For access to the full range of ANC and ambient listening modes, or to set your default modes and preferences, please connect the MW75 to your phone and use the M&D Connect App. How to clean your headphones and remove the earpads. Clean the earpads and headphones with a soft, slightly damp cloth. Be sure to not soak, submerge, or allow moisture to enter the drivers or cable jacks. The MW75 earpads are magnetized for easy removal. Gently pull the earpads off the headphones to remove. When reattaching, place the earpads over the ear cups and the magnets will help pull and lock the earpads back into place. The raised edge on each ear cup will then keep the earpads secure. Thank you so much for listening. We hope you enjoy your MW75 Active Noise Cancelling wireless headphones.